Welcome back to our YouTube channel AIGeniusX. Hope you have a great evening with your family and loved ones. Wish you always have good things and luck in life. In today's lesson we will continue to learn about the topic of Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos because it is still very viral right now on many video platforms. Over the past few days I have received a lot of positive feedback from people who viewed the lesson in the previous part of this topic. Therefore, following that success, I continue to release the second part of the lesson about the new style in the topic Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos. There will be a difference here. The videos created will be more satisfying and relaxing than the previous part. So pay attention to today's lesson, it will be a little more advanced than the previous lesson. Before going into detailed practice, let's review the success and virality of this topic today. I will prove it to you. This is a TikTok channel with many videos with tens of millions of views, a huge number. Or you can search for the following keywords on the YouTube platform. Obviously they are very viral and never out of trend. Now we will move on to part 2 of the advanced lesson. Step 1, I will compare and contrast the differences between the previous lesson video and today's lesson video. This is the result of the previous video lesson. The fruit slices will be flat, please review. Now I will compare with the video results in today's lesson that we will do. Please watch the video results of today's lesson to see the difference clearly. The difference here is that in the middle of the orange slice there will be a layer of honey-like liquid flowing out, which will make the ASMR AI video much more satisfying. This is the prompt of the previous lesson video style, please review it. And now I'm going to change a little bit of the keyword in this prompt so that we have a new prompt that meets the new style for the video. These are the keywords I will add to the old prompt from the previous lesson. So I have updated the new keyword for prompt. We have completed the new prompt and can use it as a reference. So we have a new prompt basic as a reference to develop more diverse and rich content. Next step from this new sample prompt for reference, I will start creating another prompt for a new video. To do this I will use the ChatGPT tool. Proceed to create new Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos prompt for video with ChatGPT with reference method. I will execute the command as follows, please follow along. This is the new prompt template that we use as a reference to continue creating newer prompts to create different videos. I took it from here to put in GPT chat. Here I also put some additional requirements and notes for our input prompt. Next, let's wait and see the results. So I got a new prompt for a new video. Next you can expand and create more new prompts to diversify the content. I will copy this prompt and put it in my Word file. And name it new prompt. Okay, so we have the new Chrome. Next, according to our mission, that is. Based on this Chrome, I will do more other Chrome ones. Next is the most important step, which is to expand and develop video content with reference method. I will continue to request GPT chat from the new prompt above. Please continue to create more prompts for me with more diverse and rich types of fruits. So we have a lot of Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos prompt data. We can freely create videos with these prompts. Now I will proceed to create Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos with Canva AI Video Veo 3 free. About registering for a Canva Pro Team trial account is very easy without having to pay any cost for 1 month. You can create hundreds of videos. Creating videos is very easy, so I won't explain too much. To increase productivity, I will duplicate the Canva AI tags. Next, I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and create a video with Canva AI Veo 3 free tool. Please pay attention to follow. Here are the results of some Fruits AI Glass ASMR videos. Please watch and rate. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this YouTube video. Thank you for watching and supporting our YouTube channel. We wish you success.